All right, I'm on the back side. This right here is where they bring in all the new vehicles. It's on the everything from like this trailer that's in the background to over here. This is all new vehicles that are waiting inspection to be brought over and put onto the lot. All right, so like we say, just because you don't see it doesn't mean that we don't have it. And hold on a second here, because as we make our way around all of these vehicles, you'll see that like there's on the other side of the trailer there's another group of vehicles. Let's make our way over there. Because these vehicles on the right, these are ones that we are either selling, have been sold, something's going on with them. And over here, these are vehicles that have been traded in, purchased at auction, purchased from customers, whatever the situation might be, that are waiting to actually go in and be prepped for the lot. So they take all these cars and have to go over them and do an inspection, order parts, and get them lot ready. Sounds pretty easy, I guess. But let's keep going, because they've got all these too. As you go up there to the front, you see the ones on the front line, going for that big truck, have our stickers on there, the ones that go on as soon as they come in on trade. So there's vehicles everywhere. Parts coming in. Sometimes it's whenever a vehicle. There's mine. It's having tires put on today. Some of these I'm sure are employed vehicles. Well, let's step inside here. All right. And inside this facility, it's pretty crazy. These are all vehicles that are somewhere in the process of being prepped for the lot. Usually when you see them up on lifts like this right here with wheels off, pieces missing, they're waiting on parts to come in, and that's probably what that truck is out front. So anyways, thought you guys might want to see this. Talk to you soon.